Again, this little etude offers variants. I think you should do them. So on and so forth. So that was the first one. Next one goes. So on and so forth. So, you should take your time and actually learn those variants and try to improve them. Spend time on them, because that truly will propel your knowledge of the text and also your skills at the same time. You will start noticing growth very quickly. So please be sure to do these. I think you will be very happy that you did. I want to take a moment to thank everyone for their support on my YouTube membership, as well as my YouTube Patreon side. I really appreciate your support. Your support makes it possible, and I truly appreciate everything that you have done for me. Thank you.